Welcome to part 2 of Sabse Sasta Nykaa Pink Summer Sale haul. So I got this Mars Illuminati base. I have seen a lot of reviews about this on Instagram, and I was like, I have to try this out. And the shade, lot of people talking about Pink Beam. It's a pink tone illuminator. They also have the golden one, but I wanted to try the pink one. So let's unbox this and see. I'm going to try it out on my hand. So here's the packaging. It's normal, but the Mars products have been very beautiful. They perform so well, just like high-end products. But here is the product. Let's just blend it and see. Yeah, the shine is amazing. Look at that glow. I can't wait to apply this all over my face, you guys. It's very soft and buttery. I mean, the formula is super soft. It's melting on the skin, and now I know why people are raving about this. I mean, yes, it's definitely worth it. Next up, I have an eyeshadow from Revolution. This is in collaboration with Fortnite. And look at that packaging. It's so beautiful. It's bright yellow. And this is the Peli Shadow Palette. I'm gonna open this up real quickly. I mean, I love this packaging. Bright yellow shade is just popping, and here are the shades, and the shades are beautiful, just beautiful. I'm gonna swatch few, but they also come with a mirror as well. I think they have another shade, but I just went for this yellow, more brown tone, because I want to do a summery look with yellow, so that's why I'm going to swatch this yellow matte shade, which is definitely pigmented. I'm going to swatch this glitter shade, which looks stunning. Let's swatch the matte brown. These are so pigmented. I'm going to swatch the first shade as well. Okay, this definitely looks very beautiful, and yeah, the pigmentation is there. I mean, it's really there. It's not a bad buy. I do think this is a good buy, you guys. Moving on, I have restocked my Essence mascara. This one I love. This is my third tube, by the way. This is the I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. If you haven't tried this, give this one a try. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love your lashes. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind, ये washable है, waterproof नहीं है. So अगर पानी लगेगा, you're gonna look like panda. So yeah, but this is a very good mascara. मेरा दोनों mascara already expire हो चुका है, so I thought of getting a new one because yeah, I love this so much. Alright, next up I have got this Arata curling hair cream. I've also ordered the gel, which is going to take some time, so I was not going to wait for it to come. वो एक ही प्रोडक्ट बाकी है आने में, तो मैं वेट नहीं करना चाहती थी. बट दिस इज़ द gel. This is the cream for curly hair. Now when I've colored my hair, I really want to go back to curly hair because it looks beautiful. So that's why मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा inexpensive product try करते हैं, and इसका reviews भी काफ़ी अच्छा था. So this is my first Arata product, by the way. So if you have tried any products from this brand, let me know in the comment section below. How was your experience? Moving on, I have bought this Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact. Now I don't have any inexpensive compact powder other than the Maybelline one, so that's why I thought of getting this one. And the shade I've got is Beige 03. I think they only have 4 or 5 shades, which is a bummer. But anyway, the packaging looks like this. Abhi गिरने वाला था. And it comes with a big mirror as well and a sponge right here. And I hope the shade will perfectly match me. And yeah, looking forward to try this one out. Let's move on to face wash. Now I have tried their this is the Dot & Key Bare Repair face wash, by the way. I have been loving their moisturizer, so I thought of let's try out the face wash as well. So yeah, this is new to me. I don't know if I'm gonna love it or hate it, but yeah, I really wanted to try this one out. Next, I have bought this Zit patches. I mean the pimple patches. This is from Quench. It's the Mamacita Zit Away treatment patches. Now, not gonna lie, I have tried this before, but मैं actually मैं भूल गई हूँ कैसा था, तो मुझे लगा like कुछ दूसरा try करने से अच्छा है जो पहले use किया है वो फिर से यूज़ करके देखे. I don't know, I don't make sense, but you get me right. Coming to the last product I have bought. Now इसका पैकेजिंग मुझे थ्रो करना पड़ा क्योंकि वो पूरा इसका स्पिल हो गया था, सो वो पैकेजिंग इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी येलो पैकेजिंग. एनीवे आई हैव थ्रोन इट अप बिकॉज मुझे ये एक्सचेंज करने के लिए वेट नहीं करना था. दिस इज़ द प्लम सिका and azelaic acid 10% face serum. Now this was suggested by Nipun and she suggested me over Instagram क्योंकि उन्होंने पूछा था if you have any queries you can ask me. तो मैंने पूछा था कि I have dull dehydrated sensitive skin prone to acne as well, so she suggested me to try this one out and I got it. Now this says it's for sensitive and dry skin and this fights acne, so I'm looking forward to try this one out and yeah, I will update you guys. So those were the products for part 2. I hope you guys have seen part 1. If you haven't already, go and check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna mention all the links down in the description box below and I will see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.